Hi everyone, we're going to describe whether f of x approaches infinity or negative infinity as x approaches negative 2 from the right and the left. So the first one we're going to do is we're just looking at this piece right here. This is our function. So we take the limit as x approaches negative 2 from the right. So we're going all these numbers in here, all this in here. It approaches infinity. This would down here would be negative infinity. So I'm just going to put f of x, so I don't have to write that down. That equals infinity. Now, as the limit of x approaches negative 2 from the left of f of x. So that means we're going from all numbers less than 2, negative 2. So what happens is when you get closer and closer to negative 2 from the left, we're still going to infinity. All right, the next graph is this one. So let's look at the limit. This is x equals negative 2. As x approaches to negative 2 from the right of f of x. This we're going to negative 2. So that goes to infinity. And the limit as x approaches negative 2 from the left of f of x. So where does that go to? So as we get closer and closer to our negative 2, we're going down. This is negative infinity. So it approaches negative infinity. Okay, the next one we have is a tangent function. So we're looking basically at this negative 2 in here. So the first one we're going to do is the limit as x approaches negative 2 from the right of f of x. So from the right, let me use green. You're going from the right, all these numbers on the right side of negative 2, we're going to negative infinity. And from the left, so all the numbers left of negative 2 would be like negative 3 and all those. This keeps going up to infinity. So that equals infinity. And one more, the secant function. We're going to do the limit as x approaches negative 2 from the right of f of x. So from the right, I'm getting all the numbers here, and this curve is going to go all the way up to infinity. So that equals infinity. And then from the left side of negative 2, so from the left, we start down here and go up, but then it gets closer and closer to negative 2 right in here. So it's going down to negative infinity. And that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.